In this video, we will talk about how to make money with crypto in January 2022. Top 12 ways to make money with cryptocurrency. So make sure to watch the full video. Hi guys, welcome to a new video from Cryptors1, the YouTube channel where you can find all the news about crypto, NFT, and blockchain. Every day a new video, follow us not to miss the news. Today, we'll be looking at a topic that often confuses people who are new to cryptocurrency token vs coin. Sometimes people use the term coin to refer to what other people call tokens and token to refer to what others call coins. Some people will use either name to refer to all the digital assets currently available. However, there are very big differences between crypto coins and crypto tokens, so it's important you know what they are. This token vs coin guide will start by looking at why there is so much confusion over the two terms. It will then give some explanations of what coins and tokens really are, provide you with examples of coins and tokens, and explain how each is used. By the end of this guide, you'll also be able to recognize whether a digital asset is a token or a coin. What is a coin? The definition of a digital coin is an asset that is native to its own blockchain. Think about Bitcoin, Litecoin, or Ether. Each of these coins exists on their own blockchain. So, to make this a little clearer, Bitcoin operates and functions on the Bitcoin blockchain. Ether operates and functions on the Ethereum blockchain. NEO operates and functions the NEO blockchain. Transactions of digital coins can be made from one person to another. However, no physical coins move when you send and receive them. All the coins exist as data on a giant global database. This database, or blockchain, keeps track of all the transactions and is checked and verified by computers around the world. Quick tip: I should tell you this before you continue reading. If you're not already familiar with blockchain technology, read our Blockchain Explained guide before you read this one. It is important you understand blockchain before trying to understand the difference between a coin and a token. How is a coin used? Digital coins are generally used in the same way as a real-life coin is, as money. You can think of coins like Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Monero just like the coins in your wallet or piggy bank. Often, they don't serve any other purpose than to be used as money. These cash-only coins are used. To transfer money, you can give and receive value using them. As a store of value, they can be saved and later swapped for something useful. As a unit of account, you can price goods or services in them. Let's use Bitcoin as an example to make sure you understand the above statements. BTC can be used to pay for goods and services all over the internet, and in many real-world places too. You can store it for a long period of time and nothing happens to it. You can then swap it for something of equal value later. The things that you buy can be priced in BTC too. Other than these monetary uses, there is no other use for Bitcoin. It can't be staked to earn more Bitcoins, and it doesn't need to be used to operate a certain application. It is used as money, and that is all. However, some digital coins, such as Ether, NEO, and Dash, have more features than just being useful as a form of money. I've listed these uses below. Ether F is used to fuel transactions on the Ethereum network. Tokens can be built on Ethereum, but Ether is still required to send a token. It funds the mining costs. It pays the computers that verify transactions on the Ethereum network. NEO is staked in a wallet to earn a dividend. This dividend is known as gas. Tokens can be built on NEO just like they can on Ethereum. When sending a token on the NEO network, you need to pay gas as a transaction fee, the same way that Ether is used to pay Ethereum fees. Finally, holding enough Dash allows users to vote on important decisions for the Dash network. If there is an idea suggested to upgrade the Dash network, those holding enough Dash can vote to decide whether the upgrade should happen. These voting rights allow the holders of Dash to have a say in how the project evolves. Note: crypto dividends are coins or tokens that are awarded for holding a certain asset. A good example is NEO gas. This is paid to users who leave coins in a wallet and stake them to secure the network. The holder is paid gas at a set rate for doing this. It is only available on blockchains that use a proof of stake (POS) consensus. Examples of coins: all the largest market cap digital assets are defined as coins today. However, not all coins have a large market cap. Industry price website CoinMarketCap lists over 900 different examples of coins. Of course, we're not going to list every single digital coin here. You can see the full list over at CoinMarketCap. We have included some of the more familiar ones and their tickers though. This should help with your understanding of what we mean when we use the term coin. What is a token? Tokens often get called digital coins. However, this isn't correct. There is a major difference. Tokens are created on existing blockchains. In fact, thanks to the creation and facilitation of smart contracts, the most common blockchain token platform are Ethereum. Tokens that are built on the Ethereum platform are known as ERC-20 tokens. However, there are others such as NEO, Waves, Lisk, and Stratis. While, as mentioned above, tokens on the Ethereum platform are known as ERC-20 tokens, NEO uses tokens known as NEP-5 tokens. Anyone can make their own custom token on one of these platforms. How tokens are created? It takes surprisingly little technical ability, in fact. I wouldn't recommend it to a complete newbie, but for someone with a bit of programming experience, it wouldn't take as long as you might think. It does need the developer to spend some of the native coins to the blockchain the token is being created on, though. For example, if the token is being created on Ethereum, the creator will need to spend some Ether to get the network's miners to validate the token transaction creation. It's important to remember that fees need to be paid for all token transactions on a blockchain, not just the creation of the token. Therefore, any application built on Ethereum must use Ether coins to transfer the application-specific tokens from one user to another or between the app and the user. This is the same as how coin transactions need fees to be paid to those securing the network. Their purpose: most tokens exist to be used with decentralized applications or DApps. When developers are creating their token, they can decide how many units they want to make and where these new tokens will be sent when they are created. They will pay some of the native cryptocurrency on the blockchain they are creating the token on at this point. Once created, tokens are often used to activate features of the application they were designed for. For example, Musicoin is a token that allows users to access different features of the Musicoin platform. This could be watching a music video or streaming a song. Binance, the exchange, also has its own token. Some tokens are created for a whole different kind of purpose, to represent a physical thing. Let's say you wanted to sell your house using a smart contract. You can't physically put your house into the smart contract, can you? No. So, instead, you can use a token that represents your house. WePower WPR is a good example of a token that represents a physical thing. It represents electricity. The WePower project is a DApp that allows users to buy and sell electricity on the blockchain using smart contracts. Its token, WPR, represents a certain amount of energy, a huge benefit of creating a token. Since the developer of a DApp and token doesn't have to create their own blockchain, it saves them time and resources. They can use the features of cryptocurrency with their application while benefiting from the security of the native blockchain. Time isn't the only thing it saves them. If they created their own blockchain and coin instead of a DApp and token, they would need to find miners to verify their transactions too. It takes a lot of miners to create a strong blockchain that can't be attacked. It makes much more sense for many computers to work on one shared blockchain that several applications can run on rather than there being thousands of weak, mostly centralized blockchains. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go.